Oh my god.
Hello everyone!
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a bake with us. So we're going to bake some cookies.
Yeah, and I ate a Kinder egg and it's a bird.
Yeah, he ate a Kinder egg and a bird came out of it, so he is buzzing with that. But we're going to bake some cookies, aren't we?
Yeah, and my bird is like too.
So you're in my cupboard at the moment, but I don't actually know if you're going to be able to see what you're doing. So you're probably going to change like angles a bit. So I'll put you on my work surface and then up again. So let's get started. We just had a KFC, so I feel huge. Do you feel huge?
Mm-hmm.
But we're still going to make some cookies anyway, because who doesn't love cookies?
And my bird feel huge.
Yeah. So we're just going to make plain chocolate chip ones. We've already washed our hands and I've just preheated the oven. So yeah, this apparently makes 30 cookies. I'm not sure if that's true, but apparently so. And we are fat gits, so we eat it all. We're going to give some to the neighbours. So it's fine, it's absolutely fine. And if you want the ingredients, I'll pop them in the description down below, just because what else is there to do in quarantine apart from bake and get fat? The first thing we're going to do is get some margarine or unsalted butter. Is better to use, but I couldn't find any, and to be honest, I don't really care anyway. So butter is butter, margarine is margarine. So 150 grams. I don't have any scales, so we're just gonna guess. The sugar, so just plain granulated sugar, 80 grams. So yeah, we're gonna guess. I mean, I don't even know, but that will do. And then we're also going to be using light brown soft sugar, and that's 80 grams as well.
And my baby's gonna stand right here.
Yes, you birdie. Birdie this, birdie that. I hate the smell of brown sugar. I don't know if anybody else hates it, but I hate the smell.
Yes, I do too.
Oh, whip it. Whip it, whip it.
Yeah.
It's not too nice.
It's not
Not too nice. And then we're going to mix that together.
Can I do it too?
Yeah, come on then. So I just do the hard bit and then you can do it when it's nice and easy.
Yeah.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
Oh,
My baby
stinks.
Mummy,
That's the sugar.
the
butter.
I hate the sugar smell.
Yeah, and then you just have to have one large egg. My problem is, I've only got medium eggs. So how do I equivalent that to a large egg? Like, is it just one medium egg or two medium eggs? I just don't know. I might put two in just in case. And obviously, they're free ranged because we love the ants. We love the ants. We love the animals. I wonder if I've got any large eggs in the fridge. No, they're all medium. No, they're all medium, so I'm just going to whack two in, because why not?
Yeah, we are going to whack two in.
Because why not?
Why not?
What?
Hey, Mummy, my bird likes cookies, and he likes you.
Does he?
Yeah, and he likes me, and he likes the kids in the phone.
In the phone.
Yeah.
The kids. He likes the kids in the phone. Why not? So we're just gonna use half a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda. But I can't open it. And Michael's not home.
My beard can open it
because I've done it.
my
It's fine.
beard can open it because he got a beak.
Did I say a teaspoon or a tablespoon? Surely it'd be a tablespoon.
It is a tablespoon, a tablespoon, a tablespoon.
Got it. Just go with it. I'll just put a little bit in, just because I don't want them to blow up on me.
No, because yeah, it will. And I will go far away, and I'll say.
And then half a teaspoon, but I'm just doing it on a tablespoon smaller. Grams of plain flour. Because, babe, that's what it says to do. And we made them before and they were really nice, remember?
Oh yeah. Not too much cauliflower.
Cauliflower. Oh. Not too much cauliflower, everyone. And then we gotta mix. We're gonna mix.
Mum's gonna mix the hot bit.
We're gonna mix.
And I am gonna mix the little bit when it's not hot.
I think we better cut there.
Oh, should I have to?
You wanna have a go? Come on then. Get them muscles out. Let's roll up your sleeves. Go on, get them big guns out. It's got a bit sticky, so I just added a little bit of flour in. And then we'll add the chocolate chips.
Cause
You want me to do it?
can I
Should we do it together?
Can I just have a taste?
No.
Mummy.
Yeah.
Okay, when you mix up the cookies there, and then I can eat the other one.
Yeah. Can eat loads once they're done. We'll take some round to the neighbours.
Kinder eggs.
No, cookies.
Eh?
Oh my god, I've got sweat on. I'm sweating now.
Well, should I do a joke on you?
No, because that's going to make me even more hot.
Oh, bless you.
Right, and then chocolate time. We're going to add some milk chocolate chip cookies. And then, where did I get these from? To be honest, all this baking stuff I just got from Aldi. Like, I always used to go to Tesco for my baking stuff. And obviously Tesco is expensive compared to Aldi for some things.
Mommy, can I
And I got this all from
Mommy,
Aldi.
can I
It's
please
not too
use
bad.
it?
Go on then. So 2 bags, so 200 grams all together, or 100 grams each. And another one. You're eating that one. Junker. You meant to put them in the bowl, not in your mouth. Look at this mess. Gosh. Done it? There you go, Angel. If there's any more in there, you can scoff them. So I'm just going to mix these in. To the cookies, to the cookies, to the cookies. I'm looking about 9 months pregnant after this. And after the KFC. Ridiculous. Oh my god, I'm sweating so much. The weather has been so nice, and then today I just poured it down with rain, and now it's like warmed up again, but it's so windy. I was literally crying when I was walking to the shop. So now we're going to get our bacon trays. No.
Can I have the of that pizza now?
You're not having the other Kinder Egg now.
Why?
Do you want to be kinky? You're having some cookies after they've made. Right, so I know you meant to... Is that something on my sides?
But you said I could have one.
It's not. Right, so I know you're meant to grease the pan,
Mommy, you
but
said
I'm
I
just going
could
to
have
use
one. Mommy, you said
some
I could.
Sprite Light.
Mommy, you could say I
You
could
can have one tomorrow if you're a good boy. So I'm just going to make sure the whole entire pan is greased. You can do it with butter if you don't have greasing paper. After cookies.
Then we have to, when we eat cookies, yeah? And then after that,
Yeah, later. Scoop-a-dip-dip.
and scoop
just so I can scrape it off. Oh, and then we're just gonna plonk them on the tray.
Plonk on the tray.
You know what, I'm actually so excited for these. They look sick. Apparently it does 30, but I feel I like my cookies like to be really nice and big. So I don't think it will do 30, but I think if you did little ones it would do. But I like big chunky cookies. Big chunky ones.
I love small ones.
We like them thick.
Yeah, and I like eating the chocolate things and that.
Yes, you can have to thick. I like them big. I like. What are you eating? I like them round.
I like it.
Something. Okay, so I'll put 8 on that one, and then we'll do the other one. I don't really want to like squish them together because that's when they start getting stuck together, isn't it? Why is my channel being so strange every day? Are you excited for the cookies? Mallow.
Lisa, you look sexy.
Oh, thanks.
The bowl and the spoon.
Chop it, press it.
Can I lick the spoon?
So these are what the cookies are looking like. So I'm just going to shove them in the oven for 10 minutes and then we'll come back and check on them then. You're going to be sick.
No.
Literally just came to check on the cookies and they look amazing already. I'm so excited! The cookies are out. So I'm just going to wait for them to cool down. Obviously cut the ones that are connected. Some of them turned out a bit mishmashed, but it's fine, it's cookies. They all taste amazing. So I'll wait for them to cool down and then we can do a taste test. So these are how the cookies turned out. They actually turned out okay. Like some of them are properly circle, that one snapped a little bit. Some are like more like funny shaped, but honestly, they've actually not turned out
And look at
that
my line.
bad
Look at my line.
at all. Right, Molly, are you ready to taste some cookies?
No, I want to eat a Kinder Egg.
You're so rude. Right, come on. Cheers it. Oh my God.
So I'm definitely gonna eat it.
Oh my God, guys.
So I'm definitely gonna eat it.
I will 100% leave the recipe down below because they are perfect. They're literally, if you like your cookies like crisp on the outside and really soft and gooey in the middle, then these are literally perfect. Like it's literally melting in my hand in the middle. They are so nice, like genuinely, and I even guessed the ingredients, so they are the easiest. You can't really go wrong with them. They are so nice, aren't they?
Yeah.
So I will 100% leave it in the comments down below. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also turn the notification bell on so that you get a notification every time we upload, which is every Wednesday and Sunday evening, isn't it, Budgergreen? So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. We love you so much. Bye!